Gas time!
I'm not good at these like on the spot reaction videos. They're making me nervous. Some updates for you guys before we get to all that. We got the Camaro ZL1 and of course the Supra here with some insane mods. The wrapped wing here to match. Sick exhaust, front splitter, a whole bunch of different stuff added to this whip. So if you get 300 entries, 7,000 entries, it doesn't matter. You get 7,000 entries for this car and 7,000 entries for the Camaro ZL1. So in reality, it's more like times 20 entries. You're doubling all your entries with everything you buy for both vehicles. Imagine being able to go back to this video and be like, yep, that's my car. It was in Street Speed's driveway. RFRacing drove it. Alex the Spangler took pictures of it. It's posted all over the internet. You can be in the driver's seat in less than 6 days. All you have to do is buy any one of my products here. We have the Silverado ZR2 Glacier Blue knife there. A bunch of my shirts here. Top Gun coming out very soon. My uncle's actually joined the Navy because of that. My one uncle went on to become a fighter pilot. So if you guys want that for Father's Day, make sure you get on that. Possibly win your dad a sick Supra or an insane Camaro ZL1. Good luck, guys. Oh my God. Interior shot, you guys get to see the horrible vibrations of this truck. Yeah, I don't like that. It's making some type of noise here. I don't quite fit in the lane.
That looks so stupid, I love it.
Oh my God. This is one of the most stressful drives of my life. Tire in the back is vibrating something fierce. This is the big turn. Please don't let there be any cars there. We made the turn. We just made the turn. God, there's a car coming. There's a car coming. I'm off the road on both sides. Oh my Lord.
He's doing great.
We're at a golf course right now, and the golfers are definitely screwing up their next shot.
You gotta come back and take a look at your truck. That's freaking awesome.
I appreciate it. It was a struggle getting over here, but it does look sick. It's our little project we're doing.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
I like it. It's
Yeah.
freaking awesome.
Oh yeah.
It's a hell of a project.
I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
Have a good one.
It's my new golf cart. You like it?
Wow.
What do you think?
I think you're missing a couple.
44's.
It does look pretty cool. It makes it look smaller.
What exactly is going on here?
New golf cart.
I was going to say, you can't drive it on the road, you just drive around the golf course. It barely fits on the road. I have a pontoon that was as wide as the road. That's wider than my boat.
If his one tire is on the line, it actually sort of fit. Like, he can drive within the lane, believe it or not.
It's the turning that's a little troublesome, but we made it over here.
Where he's screwed. Other than that, just going straight though, totally fine.
You guys do that yourself, or who did it for you? Tractor axle? What are they, John Deere?
It's wheel spacers.
So that's just spacers?
Junk wheel spacers. Yeah.
Super swamp.
So you put a second one in it, or just for swamping?
Yeah. So we wheel spaced it out and then just threw the tires on. There's nothing done to that otherwise, so it could break at any moment.
Oh yeah, that would probably.
Yeah, it's making horrible
Bouncing
noises.
I watch guys on YouTube that build crawlers from out in
like
in
real
Utah.
rock crawlers and stuff.
Yeah,
It sort of looks like one.
yeah, that had the idea. Big tires like that.
I was doing donuts earlier.
Was it?
Doing good. Yeah, not on pavement, but on the dirt it was doing good. Yeah, it tills up the dirt.
I bet. Good luck.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Pretty stupid looking, isn't it?
I'll take it home.
You take it?
So each one of these
this.
Yeah, you're supposed to put like 1 or 2 on at most.
Votech rads?
We act like
But yeah.
we act like we graduated Votech.
They're way, let me tell you something, a Votech grad would be way more qualified than us.
Hey, it works,
We
right?
should say it's a school project.
Yeah.
Turns to get
Does
out of here.
Dad know about this?
It gets around.
No. This is our latest creation.
Is it now?
I was gonna say, this isn't mine for once.
This is yours.
Well, I'd have put about 6 more on.
Man, and you're not hitting up front here, were you?
Well, I can make it hit. What do you think? Good golf cart, right? Fast forward to 3 days later. A lot of people were a little upset in the first video that I posted of this because I'm abusing my new truck here. Yes, this is some abuse, but for the most part, this vehicle is going to handle it like a champ, just like the TRX did. No damage to this thing, of course. We didn't do that much with it. The only damage we did do that I can tell is to the spacers themselves. There's a bit of a gap on this one, even though these are tightened down pretty good, so I'm sure it's strained the lugs in there. That one's okay, but the passenger side one, that's not good. You're not driving on that anymore. I mean, I guess we could, but it's gonna break. I don't even know how something like this happens. Like, the threads look good. The only way I can see damage like this happening is if it strips, like the nut on the inside strips the threads the entire way to the outside, and this shifts, like it'll wobble now. So that is broken. We definitely fried at least 1 spacer here, probably 2, because if you fried 1, the next one's definitely gonna go. Ball joints are good, axles are all good, 4-wheel drive engages. We didn't have it in 4-wheel drive the entire time anyway, just to prevent damage. Absolutely 0 damage to the Silverado ZR2 from this stunt, aside from the damage that already happened to it. I guess from the factory, like our lifters, I think are going out. That's definitely an issue because the truck has that stuttering problem, like I mentioned. And then some of the electronic issues that we've been going over before. All of those are factory defects that we're gonna have to get Chevy to sort out here. Fun content. I know it was a little strange. It seemed like a little Whistle and Diesel-esque, but I'm not here to destroy my truck. I care very deeply for this machine, and I can't afford for it to be crazy. So I'm sorry for the people I offended. Just having some fun. That's all it is. Just out here having some fun. I would love to take this thing home and park it in my driveway like I mentioned in last video. We could still do that. I'm not gonna be able to drive it over there with the front looking the way it did. I think the neighbors will get a kick out of that. I know a lot of people are excited for some more Karen content. I haven't really run into her, thank God, at least on my part, but I would just love to stick this thing in my driveway. First off, because it's gonna look insane, and second off, it's not gonna fit at all. Let's get these spacers off, and what I do want to do here is leave at least 1, maybe even 2 on, and then put the factory tires on to see if I can see if that improves the look a little bit before I get bigger tires. The spacers we took off, like I mentioned, I left 1 on. I don't really notice that much more of a poke. I mean, it's still flush with the body. This wouldn't get screamed at by any cops or anything like that. So I guess it makes it a little bit better. They're only 1.25 inches, some change. Follow me on Instagram, RFRacing717, so close to 20,000 followers on there. I try not to beg for likes, but YouTube just seems to love that for some reason. It's like hungry for you to like the videos. So if you guys wouldn't mind slapping a like on this video, it helps out so much. If you made it this far in the video, I got nothing for you to say in the comments, but if you want to say something, just ask me a question. I'll try to get to every question I possibly can down in the comments. So nothing for you guys to say like a keyword, but yeah, this will be like sort of a mini Q&A. So I'll try and answer a bunch of the questions down in the comments. Big giveaway still going on. We got the Supra and the ZL1 over there. I'll stop groaning on, let you guys get on with your night. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.